Hey Explorers, today we are going to be talking about changing fractions into decimals. So if we have a fraction that is already base 10, so meaning our denominator is a 10, 100, or 1,000, so that's base 10, okay, it's a power of 10, then it's really easy for us, okay, so if I have the fraction 3/10, my decimal would be 0.3 because that 3 is in the tenths place. Okay, I have 15 hundredths. I have 0.15 because that 15 is in the hundredths place. Okay. If I have a number, let's say 179 over 1,000, so 179 thousandths. So I'd have 3 decimal places and 179. So that's if it's base 10. We can just take that numerator, okay, and get rid of the denominator, and we have our decimal. Okay, so now what if it's not base 10? So if I have a fraction like 3/4, where that denominator 4 is not a 10, 100, 1,000. It's not base 10. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to make it a base 10 denominator. So if I multiply that 4 by 25, it gives me 100. And then I can multiply the 3 times 25 to get 75. So then I now have a fraction with a base 10 denominator, so I can make my decimal. So if it's 75 hundredths, my decimal will be 0.75. So 75 hundredths. Okay, so let's try another one. If I have 15/20ths, let's say, I can multiply that 20 times 5 to get to 100. And then I'm going to multiply my 15 times 5 to get me to 75. So it'll be 75 hundredths. Alright, so now if I have an improper fraction, let's say I have 12 tenths, my decimal would be, my mixed number would make it 1 2 tenths. So then my decimal would be 1 2 tenths, so 1.2. And let's say I have a fraction like 21/20ths. Okay. I can multiply both of those by 5. To get 105 over 100, so 105 hundredths. So then my mixed number would be 1 5 hundredths, which would be 1.05. So there you go, fractions to decimals.